Cheers.
All right.
And welcome to the Compose and Cook. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for honey mustard chicken and bacon super sandwich. It's going to be big. All right, to begin with, I have here a ciabatta loaf. As far as I'm concerned, the longer the better.
I agree.
It just means you get more filling in it.
Oh.
Okay? All right. So I'm going to stick this in the oven for about 12 minutes. Just check the cooking instructions on your ciabatta loaf, okay?
On the wrapper from the shop you bought it at.
So to begin with, let's put the gas on. And in my pan here, I've got about 1 tablespoon of oil. And to that, I'm going to throw in 200 grams bacon. These are smoky bacon lardons, okay? So let's just throw that in.
Lardons? What sort of word is that?
That's what they're called.
The
Lardons.
bacon bits.
No, they're called lardons. All right, what we need to do is cook these until nice and crispy.
Golden brown.
Golden brown, but not burnt.
Yeah.
Right. Let's just leave that there for a second, and while that's cooking, I will show you how to make the honey mustard dressing, which will coat everything. All right. In my bowl here, I've got 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon English mustard, and a good grinding of salt and pepper. And all you have to do is
stir it.
Mix it up. Nice and simple. That will do. Let's have a look at that bacon. I can hear it sizzling away nicely.
I think everybody can.
Right, I think we'll come back once it's crispy. You don't need to see the whole
No, you don't. No, people have got better things to do.
Exactly. I'm ready for you.
And?
Hello, what are you doing?
I'm watching TikTok. What are you doing?
Get on with it. Get over here now.
Oh.
I mean, hello everyone. Right, so the bacon lardons have crisped up nicely. Look at that. They've rendered all their fat. And I'm going to put it in this bowl, which has got some kitchen towel at the bottom.
Get you with your big words. Rendered all the fat.
So what we're going to do now is I have here 500 grams chicken breast.
No.
How controversial am I? Chicken breast. All right, which I've chopped up very small, as you can see. Nice
diced
sized pieces. Exactly. That can go in. Now what I'm going to add to that is, with my other hand, because I haven't touched the chicken with this hand, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika as well. Alright.
Shall I stir?
You do. No, you do. I'm back, everyone.
Oh.
Okay, while we're here, everyone, what must we remember to do? We must remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button. And thumbs up. Are you totally covered me now?
Yeah.
Am I totally covered?
Yeah.
Thumbs up and hit that like button. Perfect. So, turn that off.
God, it makes just as much noise as you do.
So let's just drain the chicken into this bowl as well with the bacon. Peace in the valley, peace in the city, peace in your soul. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh, here he goes.
Anyone who's a 90s person will know what those lyrics are from. So here's a ciabatta, which has come out of the oven. Look at that. Nice, nice ciabatta. I'm going to slice that in half.
Oh, ciabatta.
What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to let everything just take a couple of minutes, just to let this cool down a little bit.
Just to chill.
Just to chill. Let the chicken, let the bacon chill a little bit.
It's had a busy session.
Exactly. Just give it a couple of minutes just to...
Yeah, anyway, you're talking too much. Bye. And we're back.
Okay, so what I've done is I actually buttered the top part of the ciabatta loaf, okay? Nice lashings of butter on that. Now, let's build this. Notice how I put the paper towel in there, in this bowl. All I now have to do is just do that. Save me having to dirty another bowl. Okay. Isn't that clever?
Yeah.
Isn't that a clever hint and tip?
Yeah.
All right, so to this lovely mixture, let's add beautiful
Honey mustard, mayonnaise, salt and pepper. That was a good grind.
a good grinding, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And to that, I'm also going to add 150 grams drained sweet corn.
I love sweet corn.
And let's give that a good mix now. Look at that. Just look at it. Let me just try it. See if it needs anything.
No, no, that's not fair.
Well, then you try a bit of chicken. Tell me if it needs anything. If it needs any more salt, if it's got enough honey, got enough mustard.
I think it's just got about everything
Good.
in there.
Perfect, then that'll do. Right, all we have to do is get it on this now. So let's just...
Missed with the first spoon.
This is the kind of thing, it doesn't matter, it's going to
No.
be messy, isn't it? I think that's enough. And look, there's actually enough in there
To make another
to
one.
do another one. So you can put that in your fridge. Or if you're a family of four, just use 2 ciabattas.
Exactly. Good
And-
hint.
Right, we're not quite finished yet. We need some rocket leaves.
Mmm.
Put that on top. Let's put the lid on. Yes. Shall I cut it at a diagonal just to be flash?
Yeah. How cosmopolitan of you.
How pretentious of me.
And what this needs, do you know what this needs, Michael?
Crisps.
No, it needs us to have a couple of bibs and sit in front and watch a couple of episodes of Gardener's World.
Perfect.
Perfect.
So there you have it. My honey and mustard chicken and bacon super sandwich. This is absolutely amazing. Make it, enjoy it, and you will love it. Mwah!
Don't you wanna love me, baby? Don't you wanna